Hello everyone. Recently, I uploaded a logo animation reel on Instagram and you guys loved it. I really appreciate it. Today, I've come up with this advanced animation tutorial where I'll show you how to create a walk cycle using a single shape layer to reveal text. And the best part of this tutorial is that I'm sharing my key techniques and the workflow I use in my logo animation projects. So, without further ado, let's get started. Let's create a new composition. Name it whatever you want. I'm using full HD resolution at 24 frames per second for this animation. First, I'll select the Type tool and write the text. Make sure your last letter is an A, otherwise this animation won't work. Now, I want to change this text to a shape layer, so I'll right-click on the text, go to Create, and select Create Shapes from Text. Now that we have a shape layer, we can delete the original text layer. Right now, all the letters are in this one shape layer, so we have to separate them. So I'll duplicate this layer and rename it A. Then I'll open its contents. Since we only need the letter A for this layer, we can delete the rest of the letters. Next, open the second shape layer's contents and delete the letter A. So we have the rest of the letters. Now I'll select the letter A layer, open its opacity properties, and reduce the opacity to around 50%, and lock it so it becomes our guide layer. Next, I open the ruler and add guidelines around the A so we know the area of the text. After making the guidelines, we can turn off that text layer. To animate the letter A, I'm going to use a new shape layer. To create the shape, I'm using the Pen tool. Make sure Fill is turned off and the stroke is turned on. I've also changed the stroke color to bright red. Let's increase the width a little bit. Then create a shape over this letter A just like this. I'll adjust its width to match the letter A. Also change path position to match the letter. As you can see, our shape layer corner points go beyond the guidelines, so we have to cut them to match the shape of the letter A. To do this, I'm going to use the Track Matte options. But first, I'll rename this layer as Walk and deselect everything. After that, I'm going to select the Rectangle tool, make sure Fill is on and Stroke is off. I'll create a rectangle shape using our guidelines and rename this shape layer as Reveal Walk. Then I select the Walk layer and change its Track Matte to the Reveal Walk layer. By doing this, the edges of our shape layer are clipped. Even if I drag this shape around, the edges won't be seen anymore. Now it's time to animate this shape. First, I'll lock the Reveal layer, then I'll select the Walk layer. I'm going to search for Path to bring up the path properties and add a keyframe at the first frame. Then I'll click one of the vertex points to get this transform box and change its position just like this. After that, I'll use the Pen tool to adjust the shape. Next, I'll go forward about 10 frames and change the shape again. I'm also going to add one more vertex point here to create a knee, then change the shape. Next, I'll go forward another 10 frames and change the path points or the shape one more time. And there we go. We've created our first step by using keyframes and path of this shape. You have to repeat this process to animate the legs, but if you're unable to do this on your own or you aren't familiar with walk cycles, I recommend checking out a walk cycle tutorial to understand the movement better. Or you can create your own design like the one you see on the screen and implement that into your animation. If I showed you the complete animation process, the video would become very long. So let's finish this up and I'll get back to you. Now I've successfully animated this leg shape. You can see the final result here. When you're done, make sure you select the last keyframe and change it to Easy Ease to smooth out the ending. One more thing. In this part, I'm animating the leg as if it's running. So I select keyframes and I'll move these 3 keyframes closer together to increase the speed for just this part. Next, I'll adjust the rest of the keyframes to match the overall movement. It looks perfect. Now I'm going to show you how to reveal the text using this walk animation. First, I'll turn off the A guide layer and turn on the text layer. I'll place the time indicator where the animation starts, then select the rectangle tool and click the mask icon. It's help us to create a mask over the shape layer. Then I'll simply create a rectangle mask over this text, open the mask path property and add a keyframe. Then simply change the mask shape like this. Next, I'll open the walk layer's keyframe properties and move the playhead accordingly to adjust the mask path again. Let me change the text color so you can see what's happening. Basically, you move the time indicator and adjust the mask shape to match the walk animation. This process takes some time, but if you do it correctly, the result is phenomenal. Once you're done, let's see a small preview. It's looking pretty good. And that's how you can create a walking text reveal animation in After Effects using a single shape layer. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.